Attention players for fight number 50. Adrian Camain, Blue Armor versus Wilmer Cande, Red Armor. Proceed to the inspection area now. Adrian Camain.
Nas! Thomas! Payo, Nas! Payo!
Proceed to the inspection area now. Last call, Jello Gonzalez.
Nas! Dali!
Emmanuel Gaya. Naga Central School 2. Last call, Emmanuel. Attention players. Attention players, fight number 51. Claudio Almehol from LH Power Kick, Blue Armor versus John Dominic Burtus of Naga Central School 2, Red Armor. Again, for fight number 51, Claudio Almehol from LH Power Kick, Blue Armor versus John Dominic Burtus of Naga Central School 2, Red Armor. Players, proceed to the inspection area now. Proceed to the inspection area.
Bueno. Payuhi lang ng payuhi. Payuhi lang.
Attention players for advanced category.
Payu.
Again. Attention players for advanced category. Fight number 45. John Angelo Tui of Naga Central School 2. Blue Armor versus Justine Dosabal of Naga Central School 1. Red Armor. Again, attention players for advanced category. John Angelo Tui, Blue Armor of Naga Central School 2 versus Justine Dosabal of Naga Central School 1, Red Armor. For advanced category, fight number 46. Miko Ilagan of Naga Central School 1, Blue Armor versus Derek Trinidad of Metro Naga Taekwondo, Red Armor. Again, for advanced category, Miko Ilagan,
May laro ka
Blue
ba?
Armor, and Derek Trinidad, Red
Ayun, may
Armor.
isa pa tayong water doon.
Fight number 47 for advanced category. Jeffrey Versabal of Naga Central School 1, Blue Armor versus Julius Kalinan of Naga Central School 2, Red Armor. For fight number 47, Jeffrey Versabal, Blue Armor, Julius Kalinan, Red Armor. For fight number 48, Matthew Clarence of Metro Naga Taekwondo, Blue Armor versus Giselle Ivan Cortez of Naga Central School 2, Red Armor.